Hello everybody, my name is Estrada. I am one of the team leaders in the Tier 2 for the Americas. I currently based out of Florida, but I'm actually from Colombia, and I am incredibly happy to be given the opportunity to be here with you guys right now. I have been with Elementor for about 2.5 years, and before that I've been working in restaurants for about 22 years now. My last stint was as a manager for the last 10 years or so. First thing I do is I catch up in Slack messages, make sure that all my emails are caught up. What I normally do is I will bookmark or kind of mark as unread and save things that I need to follow up with a little later on throughout the day. Following that, I make sure that my whole team is properly clocked in, working, available, doing what they're supposed to be doing. The rest of the day, normally just looking over regular conversations from all of my team. People telling me that they believe in me and they trust in what I'm telling them because I've shown them that I'm there to help. I care about them and I care about what's happening. That's the biggest compliment, the fact that somebody trusts me. Making sure we're asking the right questions. It's making sure we're getting to the bottom of the actual issue. If you're not 100% certain about what it is that you're doing, double check, send a message, get clarification. Always make sure that we're in the same page between our users and ourselves. And I think that that will make for much, much better relationships and support conversations.